afternoon everybody. This is another number series solving session. Just concentrate over the diagram I have drawn here. We have to find the missing number. Let's proceed to the further steps. Okay, so as I always tell in case of any number series solving sessions, that the first thing is to move from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, similarly just think about the relation between these two numbers, that is 40 and 33. So if we subtract 7 from 40, we get 33. Similarly, what is the relation between these two numbers? If we add 14, we get again the third number 47. Similarly, if we subtract 7 from 47, we get the next number 40, and addition of 14 with 40 gives the next number 54. Now (54) minus 7 equal to 47, and 47 plus 14 is 61. So what will be the next number? Simply 61 minus 7 equal to 54. So what is the actual order of addition and subtraction? It's minus 7 plus 14, minus 7 plus 14, minus 7, and so on. In this way, if we think the logic, the number series will be here completed. Okay, so the next number, that is question mark, will be replaced with 54 to complete the series. Similarly, I will come to the next equation. Let's focus. I am drawing the next one here. In the next one is 4, 7, 7, 12, 10, 17, 13, 22, 16, and then we have to find the next number to complete the series. I have already discussed the similar kind of number series completion equation in my previous video, where I have told that when you will find that a typical complex series like this, you always think about to segregate that particular series into parts. Okay, so another part is the accumulation of odd numbers, and the next part will be the accumulation of even numbers. That is actually the first part will be the numbers put in odd positions, and the second will be the numbers put in even position. Here let's denote the odd positions and even positions. So the first position is, as you always move from left hand side to right hand side, the first position, that is odd position. The second position is even position. Similarly, the third position is odd position, and the fourth position is even position. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on is a part of the number series. it's a particular fragment of the number series. So what is that fragment? It's 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. And what is the another part of this series? It's 7, 12, 17, 22 and next. When this, you will be able to segregate a particular series in these two parts, and you will get that one part is already solved. That is, you don't need to touch that part. Okay, you have to think about this part because this part is already solved. So in case of the first part that is already solved, it's +3 order increment, +3 incremental order of the number series. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 plus 3 10 plus 3 plus 3. Now this part, similarly if we move from left to right, we get 7 plus 5 equal to 12, then 12 plus 5 equal to 17, then 17 plus 5 equal to 22, and then the next number will be obviously by 22 plus 5 equal to 27. So question mark will be replaced by 27 to complete the series. So what is that part? The first part is an incremental order of 3, and the second part, the numbers are incremented by +5. So this is the logic. Now the third one, let's move to the third one. 8, 4, 4, 6, 12, 28, 19. Here you will get a particular number in this series is wrong. You have to find that particular wrong one. Because of that wrong one, the series is disbalanced. The logic is not properly balanced here due to that particular wrong number, which you will have to find. Now let's stay tuned. I am solving this. Okay. So what is the relation between 8 and 4? If we divide 8 by 2, or if we multiplied 8 with 1.5, in both cases the logic is same, it will give you 4. Now if we multiply 4 with 1, then we get 4, the next number. So A, B, C, if we denote this number as A, B, C, D, E, F and G, then the equation hidden between these three numbers has been solved. Now 4 and 6. So what is the relation between the numbers C, put in position C and D? If we multiply 4 with 3.5, 3 by 2. So what we get? We get 4 into 3 by 2 equal to 6. The number put in position D. And similarly, if we multiply this 6 with 2, then we get the next number 12. Now 4, 6 and 12, this is another series, this is another fragment of this series, that is C, D and E is completed. Now in case of the numbers put in position D, E and F, what is the relation we have to find? That is E, F and G. Okay, so in case of E and F, if we multiply it by 5 by 2, that is 12 into 5 by 2 equal to 30, and then multiplying 30 with 3, we get the next number 90. So what's the actual equation comes out from this complex logical series? It's the first number is multiplied by one half, then the second number, in case of the first multiplication it's multiplied by half, in case of the second multiplication it's multiplied by 3 by 2, in case of the third multiplication it will be multiplied by 5 by 2. Obviously as you will progress here and if it continue until infinite number, so the series will be as 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 11 by 2 and so on. And another multiplication series is number, if we denote number as n into 1, then n into 2, then obviously it will come as n into 3, then n into 4 and so on to complete the series. So what is the actually odd number? The odd number is put in position F. So if we replace 28 with 30, then the actual series will be completed. So what will be the actual series? That will be 8, 4, 4, 6, 12, 30, 90. Now the logic I have already discussed in this particular series will be valid for this one. You implement and you get the result. Okay, so this is another one. I am going to solve another number series here. Just a minute. Now the next one is 2, 7, 28, 146, 8, 77, 6140. So it's also another series with the wrong number put into it. We have to find the wrong number. Okay, so let's calculate the equation between these, or the relation between these two numbers, 2 and 7. So multiply it by 3 and then add 1 to get the next number. So 2 into 3 equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Now what we get actually, if we denote this as A, B, C, D, E, F, so that's A into 3 plus 1 equal to B. Similarly, B into 4 plus 1 should be C. So what is the number put in the position B? That is 7 into 4 plus 1 should be C, that is 29. So we clearly see that the number put in position C is 28, which is not matching our logic. So that is the wrong number. So if we replace 29 with 28, then what will be the next number? That is so it C. Now C into 5 plus 1 equal to 29 into 5 plus 1 equal to 146. That is D. And D into 6 plus 1 will be 877, and that is position E. Okay, E into 7 plus 1 will be 6140. That is position F. So what actually comes? What we actually get? That is nothing but a particular order of multiplication and addition. That is A into 3 plus 1, then B into 4 plus 1, then C into 5 plus 1, D into 6 plus 1, E into 7 plus 1, and so on to complete the series. So replace 28 with 29. So what will be the actual series? 2, 7, 29, 146, 8, 77, 6, 1, 40 to complete the pattern. Hope you have understand the logic. Actually, when you will sit for practice, you will get thousands of such type of number series, and it's not very easy to discuss everyone in a particular video session. So what is my actual motto, or what is my actual objective? My actual objective is to solve some typical patterns, and you have to focus in each video to expertise the logic I am discussing here. Okay, so a particular equation is solved means that similar kind of logic you will be able to implement in 25 consecutive number series. Okay, so one equation solved is equal to 29 same kind of equations solving. Okay, so you have to memorize it. Hope you have got the logic what I am giving here. Now stay tuned for the next video, and that will be a very interesting video because I will be going to discuss about statement and conclusion, or you can say syllogism with Venn diagram or without Venn diagram. That I haven't decided yet, but I will decide it later what I am going to say in my next video. Okay, so remember that video will be very interesting. Okay, so for now it's thanks for your patience. Now see the video again and again and memorize them. Okay, thank you.